test on this twin Olympus jet system. It's £110 a thrust. What's very different to what it used to is he's got two toggles, two throttles, one in each hand. He's never done that before, so he wants to get used to that before he actually flies with the parachute.
You said Olympus?
Yeah, it's a jet, AMT Olympus jet. They're both together, they're £110 a thrust.
Fantastic.
After that, we've got the trike. We can do some ground tests as well. Again, that's never been started since it got put together. So the first time we're going to start this, we can run it up and down the field. Again, see how much power it's got and just see how it handles on the ground before we start doing some flight tests on that.
Wow, oh, I can't wait to see this. Isn't the Olympus, the engine's out of the Concorde, or is that the Pegasus? I can't remember, but anyway.
I wouldn't be standing like this if you are.
Hopefully you've got the same sort of power.
Now
Right.
Just a little 12?
A
12? A little 12.
Thank God. My goodness me. And obviously when it gets a little quieter, Mark's going to put the paraglide on the wing, and then we're going to go fly. We're just going to do a ground test. We're going to do a ground run on both of them. Right. Let's have a look at this. Get your cameras ready, everybody. I don't want to miss this. So this is going to mark us to run past.
Ready? Okay. Power on. So if you look at your control dials now.
I've got some rollerblades if you want.
So engine Olympus.
Riley.
EGT 19. And now it says start clearance. Right, so that's when you're ready. If that says start clearance, then
Where's
all
my
we do is
GoPro?
put that to the top and that to the top, and you're ready to go. One at a time, or we're going to move behind him or come out here.
Yeah.
We will want to face that way so they hear your own noise.
Someone will get a scooter.
So should we do one at a time?
Yeah, turn away from the jets.
You don't mind the wind blowing in there? Straight up, yeah?
Yeah, straight up. So that's the starter. Yeah. Right to go. And just keep watching it.
You might have to hold me when I throttle up. On my own, I was on quarter throttle. I got to full throttle on the second one.
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from this show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.